Hey everyone! Today we will talk about NIO recent developments, including insurance, registrations, and deliveries. What's really happening? Delivery numbers are significantly lower than expected, raising questions about whether we can still achieve record deliveries. We'll also discuss the CEO comments about the 10-year wait. Plus, we'll look at what we should expect from NIO in the future. First, let's address the delivery numbers. Between June 10th and 16th, NIO delivered 3,400 vehicles, down from 3,500 the previous week and significantly lower than the 6,700 delivered the week before that. With a guidance of 54,000 to 56,000 deliveries for Q2, NIO needs to deliver between 17,836 to 19,836 vehicles this month. This translates to needing about 6,000 vehicles per week to meet the lower end of their guidance, which seems challenging given the current pace. So, what's causing these low delivery numbers? NIO CEO mentioned during the earnings report that they are operating double shifts and have more orders than they can produce. However, deliveries are still hovering around 3,000, which is actually lower than this time last month. This discrepancy raises the question, what is really going on? One theory is that customers might be switching their orders to other brands, but this seems unlikely. For instance, many Xiaomi orders from last month were converted to NIO orders, with customers forfeiting their Xiaomi deposits to switch to NIO. While the opposite could happen, it's not common for NIO to lose customers to Xiaomi. Another possibility is that some customers paid deposits but later decided not to take delivery of their vehicles, though this also seems improbable. A more likely scenario is that the delivery pace simply isn't keeping up with the order volume. We might see a ramp up closer to the end of the month. According to a store manager, the number of orders has slightly decreased from last month due to less attractive promotions. This is concerning because NIO has had to offer significant incentives to boost sales, which hurts their margins. Without these incentives, they struggle to achieve record orders. The manager expects future incentives to become even more attractive, but I'm skeptical. Given that NIO NT 2.0 cars have low profit margins, it makes more sense for NIO to focus on selling their upcoming Envo vehicles, which have better margins. Looking ahead, the wait time for deliveries has shortened from 4 weeks to 3 weeks, indicating a slight improvement. With 26,000 orders in the pipeline, we should see a significant portion of these delivered this month. However, delivery logistics might still be a bottleneck, whether due to insufficient trucks or overwhelmed delivery centers. Despite the slight decline in orders due to reduced incentives, it's not entirely surprising. If incentives become more attractive, we could see an uptick in orders. As we approach the end of the month, I anticipate better delivery numbers, hopefully around 4,000 to 5,000 per week, which would help meet the guidance. It would be disappointing if NIO had to revise down their delivery targets again, as they did at the end of Q1. Achieving record deliveries last month only to face another target revision would be a setback. Now, let's talk about the CEO 10-year comment. His remark wasn't about having to wait 10 years for profitability. Rather, it reflects his vision of NIO long-term success. He believes it will take 10 years for NIO to firmly establish itself in the automotive industry and another 10 years to truly prosper. This doesn't mean profitability is a decade away. In my view, profitability could be achieved within the next 3 to 4 years, thanks to the Envo and Firefly sub-brands and the NT 3.0 cars, which will use more in-house developed components to boost margins. While the current delivery numbers are a concern, there's hope for improvement. NIO needs to streamline its delivery process and manage its incentives wisely. Looking forward, the CEO vision suggests a bright future for NIO, with profitability on the horizon much sooner than 10 years. What are your thoughts on NIO delivery challenges? It's a tough situation, but let's hope they can accelerate deliveries in the coming weeks. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.